Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we've got another car we're getting ready to put on the lot. I'd like to share this with you. It's a 2015 Honda Civic. It's the Si, 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's got a 6-speed manual transmission, sunroof in it. Wait till you see this thing. This thing is sharp inside and outside. So let's go ahead and do a quick walk around. You can see the orange on the outside. It's definitely a eye grabber. Nice rims on this car. But here, let me get up here, show you. There's your sunroof. Pretty cold day outside today. Overcast. I'm gonna be your weatherman also. So we'll get it here. You can see you do have a spoiler on the back. It does have a backup camera right there. So let's go ahead and pop the trunk on it. Okay, so here we are, trunk's open. Very clean. I mean, it's extremely clean back here. Let's go ahead and continue. So we'll go around here, continue on the driver's side. Let's go ahead and take a look on the interior. You're gonna like this. Now, tell me this isn't eye candy. Two-tone, you got black and red. This is cloth interior. And on the door, I hope that it's showing well, but you even have the red stitching on your panel. Really nice. Okay, here we are looking at the interior. We'll get in here in just a moment. Show you the door panel, window controls and locks. It does have WeatherTech floor mats in it. So let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, I just got inside and we're getting everything started. Get up here close. You can see there is your tachometer. And up above on your dash, you have your speedometer, and it has multiple settings that you can control from your steering wheel. And you can see, as of now, the mileage on this is 96,773 miles. And get over here, you'll see the LCD command center, your climate control. You've got, here's your gear shift, 6-speed automatic, 2 cup holders, and we open our cover, and there is your sunroof. Nice red stitching on your seats. So now going back to your steering wheel, you do have controls on the left side for your audio Bluetooth capabilities that will connect to your phone. Cruise control settings are on the right. Windshield wipers right here. Now this is a push button start stop, and I'm going to go ahead and put this thing in reverse, and you're going to see the backup camera. That easy, even with it being a manual shift. And right down here you've got input for HDMI, USB, and a 12 volt. So let's take a look in back. Okay, there's your back, and you do have plenty of leg room back here. And like I said, you do have the WeatherTech floor mats, but this is really sharp car inside. And notice you have a button right here on your steering wheel. Push that, and it will go through different settings with this one. Bluetooth, of course I'm not connected to my phone. How many miles you have left on your tank of gas. Pretty cool. So that's it, guys. This is our 2015 Honda Civic Si. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call. 740-992-4443. And we have a lot of lenders that are eager to loan money right now. So with that, I hope you have a great day.